Hey, good morning and happy Fun Friday. And speaking of fun, let's get ready to start something brand new in science. We're going to be talking now, we learned all about light and how it moves around. We're going to be talking about something that can be made when light is trying to shine down and something blocks the light. So, look at this cute little guy, and he's kicking a ball around in the yard. Can you see where the sun is shining? Yeah, notice how it's shining right between the trees. How come it's brighter here and not over here? Right, if you said that the trees are making a shadow, you're exactly right. The leafy tops of the trees are actually blocking some of the sunlight, aren't they? And if he plays and gets all hot and sweaty, coming to sit in this shady spot will even feel a little cooler. So the top leafy trees will block the light from the sun and also some of the heat from the sun. Now, I hope today is sunny and we can take a look outside in the morning and again later on and check out where some of the tree shadows are in the morning and see if they stay in exactly the same place all day. Let's watch this cool video for an example of what happens during the day. Now keep in mind, this video is speeded up. It's going much faster than the sun and the daylight really move, so watch. Did you notice that the shadows on the ground seemed like they were moving across the ground? Was someone moving the trees? No. Is it wind? It's really not. Watch again. Yeah, I'm going to show you one more time, and this time I want you to watch this shadow right here carefully, because it's going to go this way. Watch. See that shadow moving? Boys and girls, that's because in the morning when this video got started, the sun was up here in the sky, shining toward the tree and making a shadow down here, right? Because if the sun is up here, this tree trunk is blocking the sunlight, and that's why on this side the sunshine can't get to that part of the ground. During the day, the sun moves across the sky. Well, actually it doesn't. We'll talk about that later. But it looks like the sun is moving. So later in the day, if the sun is shining from over here, the shadow wouldn't be down here anymore. The shadow would move to over here just like it did. Okay, and then the last thing we want to look at, like I said, take a peek outside now that it's early and make a quick sketch of where the shadows look like they appear, and have Mom or Dad help you write down what time it is, although you know how to write the time. And then go out again, maybe at lunchtime, and see if the shadows have moved. And then go out again, maybe 4 or 5 in the afternoon, and see if the shadows look different again. Okay? And then the last thing you're going to do is think about what's all that make you wonder? So this page, notice that it says Lesson 3, because we took our Lesson 2 quiz yesterday, how are shadows made. This is the picture from that video where we were just noticing that the shadows appear to be moving across the ground. So what you need to do is think, what's something I wonder I hope I learn about when we start talking about shadows next week? The next thing you'll have today is we actually do have a quick little quiz, okay? It's very easy. Now, it's going to show up here. If you log in to MyMath with the website that I've put on your Class Dojo, and then you'll need your login, colors, and shapes that are in your portfolio. And then when you click here, it will let you open the quiz. If the quiz does not open for you or you don't understand what to do, the other thing you could do is you could open this, which is the quiz on a piece of paper. Okay, and then if Mom or Dad wants to print that for you, that would be fine. And you could just upload a picture of it into your portfolio, okay? The other thing you'll notice is I have also given you a fact dash game to play so we don't forget how to add and subtract. And the last thing I want to show you is this. This is a really fun thing. It's called my shape pizza. And so, again, I'm going to give you the link to print this out at home. If you do not have a printer at home, boys and girls, cut a circle out of any piece of paper, okay? Any piece of paper you want. Now, there's a secret code, okay? We are going to make toppings on the pizza, and the pizza is going to have circles. We'll call that maybe the pepperoni. It's going to have some rectangles. It's going to have some trapezoid toppings, some triangles and squares, and then cut out a few little hearts, okay? You can draw them and color them. If you have colored paper, you could cut them out of different colored paper. Here's an example of what your finished toppings might look like on your pizza. It's our shape pizza. See it? And then all you have to do is count up how many of each shape did you use. My shape pizza has 9 hearts on it. If you look again, you'll see I did make 9 hearts on this one. See that? And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangles. See those green rectangles? And so I wrote 6 there. Okay? So once again, you'll have the link with all the things you'll need if you want to print this. But if you can't print, please don't worry. You can make this, or you could even draw the shapes onto a circle on a piece of paper. Okay? And design your own pizza and send me a picture. And then the last thing is this really nice. We've been talking about empathy all week. Knowing that empathy means being aware of somebody else's feelings. Well, these two characters need a little empathy. They need to think a little bit more about how each other feels. It's only a 2-minute video. I think you're really going to enjoy it, and I know that you know what they could have done better. All right, then go grab yourself a snack and come on back for some Super Kids fun. I'll talk to you soon.